Today I'm going to be giving you an overview of our latest product, the FH UPS1 UNV 25L SD. This latest product is a 25 watt inverter that provides 25 watts of constant power output by means of 120 to 277 VAC. It can power any fixture up to 150 watts and will dim the emergency power to 25 watts via the 0 to 10 volt dimming wires in emergency. It can also power one or many fixtures with a total system wattage of 25 watts or less without the need of 0 to 10 volt dimming wires. The wiring for this unit differs from current emergency products we offer in that it is extremely simple and efficient to install. We will start by showing a side-by-side wiring comparison of our 25 watt inverter and one of our hotspot constant power emergency drivers. As you can see on the diagrams listed, the constant power unit requires the rewiring of input side and the driver side, whereas the inverter only requires the rewiring of the input side and 0 to 10 volt if needed. We are now showing a side-by-side comparison of the wiring of each of these emergency systems. On the right-hand side is the 25 watt inverter, and on the left-hand side is your constant power emergency driver. As you can see, the constant power emergency driver has numerous wires. You will need to rewire the input, the LED driver output, the LED module input, and wire in the test button. The 25 watt inverter only requires the input to be rewired and the 0 to 10 volt in cases of more than 25 watts to be rewired. The test switch also has a quick connector to eliminate the need to wire it. Also, I would like to note that this is being done with a preset station. In a real-world application, the wiring of the constant power driver would be much longer as it would require you to open up your fixture prior to beginning the installation process. The inverter can just be connected to the input and dimming wires that are visible from the outside of any fixture. The inverter is finishing up now, while the constant power is still being rewired. As we continue to wire the constant power driver, please remember that unlike your standard LED emergency driver, an inverter can power any type of fixture. It is not just limited to LED. This product is the perfect fit for fixtures where the components of the fixture are not easily accessible. The FHS UPS1 UNV 25L SD combines great versatility with simplicity. It looks like the wiring is just wrapping up now, so thank you for watching.